So hello everybody, this is going to be a short tutorial for how the certificate generation works. We all know that we are trying to make a certificate generation app that generates mass certificates from a given DOCX and an Excel sheet. So what we are trying to achieve today is using a Word document like this one. We are trying to create several other Word documents which will have replaced like these can be called as variables, which will be replaced in each and every Word document, and multiple documents will be created using the Excel sheet. So this is the template docx that I'm using, and instead of your name I've created a set of names, and instead of outstanding professional experience that's a variable, and I've created all the values with the date, time, sign, signatory name, and signatory position. So these are all the things there: sign, date, time, signatory name, and signatory position. So these are the docx and the Excel sheet that we'll be using to generate the certificates individually. So let us head over to this link out here. For me it will open like very quickly because I've been working on it for the past 5-6 hours. So but yours might be slow because it goes to sleep. It's hosted on Heroku, so please wait, and head over to this and then click on generate certificates. So it's asked for a docx file, so just browse through that and you can select the file. Or you can download the sample docx template that is given there. It's just the same file that I have shown you. So just click on submit, wait for it to upload. It will take a while. So after you get the successful upload button, you should see that these results come in, and these might be mixed up, so you have to adjust your docx accordingly. And then like you can re-upload your docx and then get redirected to this same page. Then if you are satisfied with these past results, I think I am satisfied with those, so I'll just go ahead and do the Excel sheet upload. Same, you can also download the sample Excel template from here if you're confused on what to do, and then click on the submit button. It will take a while to upload, and finally it will say that the certificate generation is successful. So we'll just go ahead and download the zip file. So it's downloading. So try to give your feedback out here. I'll activate this form and try to support this project because it's an open source project. And you can also go ahead to the home page and you can support us on GitHub. You can report bugs, and you can also see the video that you are currently seeing through this link. So let us just check out what is in the zip file. So let us see what the results are. Close this. Let's extract. So it should be this one. Yeah, so we got all the certificates. Let's inspect a random one from here. So the certificate generated will have all the values replaced from the Excel sheet. So yeah, you can see that Ramesh Manav, High Court Advocate, these are my friends. So pretty much works. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to support us on GitHub or leave a feedback.